to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice.
Hi everyone, if you happen to just be browsing and you hear my voice, this is Fergie. Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen, and to all my FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm going to make some chicken veggie foil pack, and here's my ingredients for today, guys. This is my chicken, and right here I have season consists of Jamaican chicken seasoning, Creole seasoning, paprika, oregano, and some garlic powder with a pinch of garlic salt. My broccoli, and here I have bell peppers, zucchini, red onions, and garlic. And here's my olive oil with some, I'm gonna go in with some Maggi seasoning. So let's just jump right into it, guys. First I'm gonna go in with my zucchini and my bell peppers, then my red onions, and my chopped garlic. So this, guys, I'm gonna go in with my chicken. Now all my seasoning, all these are half a teaspoon. All my seasoning together. Going with some broccoli with about a tablespoon of Maggi, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Guys, this is 2 chicken breasts. And guys, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, and then you guys will see my next step. So guys, I'm gonna put these in the foil paper, because these are foil packed. I'm gonna put these in the oven, guys. Oven set, preheat oven at 450, and I'm gonna put these in for 20 minutes. Okay, guys, we're at the end of another segment. Here is my chicken veggie foil pack. You can just grab a pack and eat, guys. This is so yummy, super yummy. I hope you guys enjoy. This is delicious, very clean, and just so good, guys. Enjoy.